Dr. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. Now we are going to see about the topic building materials. In building materials, the main building material that we have is the bricks. The manufacturing of bricks goes like this. First one is the digging and stocking for raw materials. Basically, the bricks have the raw materials like silica, alumina and lime. The silica is around 50-60 percentage. Next one is alumina is around 20 to 30 percentage, and lime is less than 10 percentage. These are the raw materials that are used for the bricks. Next one is the preparation for the raw materials. Basically, the silica, lime and alumina, these will be in natural forms. We have to remove the impurities from the silica and alumina, so that we can have the we can go for the brick manufacturing of the bricks. Next one is the molding or pressing. The bricks, the standard size of a brick is around 19 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter. This process is done in the molding and pressing. Next one is drying. In drying process, the moisture content is removed. This can be removed by clean drying, where the temperature of around more temperature, high temperature, this drying process is done in clean drying. Next one is stocking for sales. Next, the manufactured bricks are then stocked for the sales. These processes are involved in the manufacturing of the bricks. Next one is the types of bricks. Depending on the bricks quality, it is divided into first class, second class and third class brick. In first class brick, the proper dimension, proper shape and proper color is maintained, where the proper shape is around 19 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter. This comes for the first class brick. For the second class brick, dimension is the same, but the edges are not sharp. Next one is third class brick. In third class brick, the dimension, color and the shape are compromised. Next one is the brick usage. Depending on the brick usage, first one is facing bricks. These facing bricks are mostly used for the aesthetical appearance. Next one is high temperature resisting bricks. High temperature resisting bricks, these type of bricks are used in the chemical industries. Next one is acid resisting bricks. These are also used in the chemical industries or dyeing industries. Next one is lightweight clay bricks. These type of bricks are used in small residential buildings. Next one is engineering bricks. This type of engineering bricks, they have the correct dimension, correct shape and correct materials are used for the manufacturing of the brick. Next one is composition. Here the composition of the bricks, the composition of the bricks mainly is of silica, lime and alumina. These are the three major materials that are used for the manufacturing of the bricks. If we are replacing by fly ash bricks, that type of brick is called as fly ash clay bricks. In sand lime bricks, the lime content is more in sand lime bricks. Next one is concrete bricks. These kind of bricks are mainly made up of concrete. Next one is manufacturing process. Depending on the manufacturing process, in drying, if it is done by sun dried, then it is called as sun dried bricks. If it is fire dried or clean drying process is done, that type of bricks is called as fire dried bricks. Next one is depending on the shape of the bricks. The shape of the bricks is mainly used for the aesthetic appearance. Next one is properties of the bricks. In properties of the bricks, first one is the durability. Durability is nothing but the long-lasting lifetime of the bricks. Next one is the strength. Strength of the bricks is nothing but the compressive strength. The compressive strength of the brick should be greater than 35 kilogram per centimeter square. Next one is insulation. Insulation is nothing but the brick should be fire resistant and water resistant. That is called as the insulation. Next one is eco-friendly. Eco-friendly is nothing but if the brick is demolished, that should be eco-friendly. That should not be harmful to the environment. That is called as the eco-friendly. Next one is water resistance. Water resistance is nothing but the absorption of the water. Mostly the brick should not absorb the water. That kind of brick is the first class brick. The first class brick the percentage will be less than 12%. That kind of brick is called as the first class brick. So the water resistance should be high in the bricks. Next one is the strength of the brick. The strength of the brick can be measured by the load by area. This is around the compressive strength should be greater than 35 kg per centimeter cube. Next one is uses of bricks. These bricks are most widely used for the structural walls, interior, exterior, and it is used for the soundproof partitions also it is used. Next one is types. Next one is test for bricks. Here it goes like this: laboratory test and field test. First one is laboratory test. We have the compressive strength. As I said, the compressive strength should be greater than 35 kg per centimeter cube. Next one is the water absorption. The water absorption should be less than 12%. Next one is the efflorescence test. Efflorescence test is nothing but the water absorption and color test. Next one is the dimension tolerance test. Dimension tolerance test, it is similar to the compressive strength test. Next one is the stone. Next we come to the stone. Stone is it is natural. It is a natural material that is used for the walls for the decoration, and mainly this stone is used because of its strength and durability, and it is used for the aesthetical appearance. The requirements of a good stone should be, it should be hard. It should be hardness of the stone should be higher. It should be fire resistance. It should the specific gravity should be higher, and it should be water absorption of the stone should be lesser. Next one is the test for the stone. The compressive, first one is the strength. The strength of the stone should be more. The compressive strength should be more. Next one is the crushing strength. Crushing strength should be higher. Next one is the hardness. Hardness of the stone should be higher when compared with the other materials, as these stones are used only for the foundation. Mostly it is used for foundation, and nowadays it is also used for the aesthetical appearance. Next one is the types of the bricks. Types of the stones. First one is the igneous rocks. Next one sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rock. These types of rocks are formed by the cooling of the molten magma. For example, granite. Next one is the sedimentary rocks. When the layers of the stones are formed, these rocks are created. First one is the limestone and the sandstone. Next one, metamorphic rocks. These metamorphic rocks are formed by the physical and chemical activities of the materials. For example, for the metamorphic rocks, it goes for the marble and ballast. Thank you.